Welcome to the Skilled MBA Finance Case Study Series, where we explore real-world ventures that embody financial innovation, strategic thinking, and long-term value creation. Integrated Circuits faces a pivotal financial decision as it plans to acquire Safe Technologies in a $200 million deal. With interest rates still lingering at pandemic-era lows, but the Federal Reserve signaling an impending tightening cycle, Treasurer Dan Yu must act with precision. The urgency is underscored by a high-stakes opportunity, securing a major contract with the United States Air Force. The acquisition could strengthen the firm's position in national security technology, but the way it is financed will determine both the company's competitive edge and long-term financial health. Dan must weigh three distinct financing options, each with its own risk exposure, cost implications, and potential for shareholder value creation. The case explores fixed rate versus variable rate debt, equity dilution concerns, and market timing strategies, all under the pressure of a shifting macroeconomic environment. This decision is more than just numbers. It's about aligning financial structure with strategic ambition. The outcome will influence investor confidence, capital flexibility, and the company's future in defense innovation. Integrated Circuits faces a strategic decision to finance a $200 million acquisition of Safe Technologies. With interest rates at historic lows in January 2022 but expected to rise, Treasurer Dan Yu must assess three financing options, each with unique risk profiles and cost implications, to secure a pivotal United States Air Force contract. Integrated Circuits, a leader in semiconductor solutions for defense, aims to acquire Safe Technologies. This acquisition will enhance capabilities in aerospace defense, position Integrated Circuits as a prime United States Air Force contractor, expand market share, and unlock research and development and manufacturing synergies, crucial for growth in the defense electronics sector. Interest rates are at historic lows post-pandemic, but inflation is rising, as indicated by the Consumer Price Index. The Federal Reserve plans multiple rate hikes in 2022, with forward curves suggesting increasing rates over the next 24 to 36 months. This economic climate introduces uncertainty in long-term financing decisions. Floating rate loans offer lower initial costs compared to fixed-rate options, appealing for short-term savings. However, they carry the risk of increased payments if interest rates rise. This option suits borrowers anticipating stable or declining rates, but requires careful consideration of potential future rate hikes impacting long-term financial planning. A fixed-rate bullet loan locks in the interest rate for the entire term, with the principal due in a single balloon payment at maturity. Regular payments cover only interest, offering predictable costs but higher initial rates. This structure aids cash flow planning but may be costly if market rates drop. Amortizing loans offer consistent payments that combine principal and interest, reducing the principal over time. This structure ensures a zero balance at maturity, with a fixed interest rate providing cost predictability. Although initial cash outflows are higher, it minimizes refinancing risk and offers a clear path to debt elimination. Floating-rate loans feature interest rates linked to benchmarks like SOFR or LIBOR, adjusting periodically. They offer lower initial rates and potential benefits if rates stay stable or decline. However, they pose risks of increased costs if rates rise, creating cash flow uncertainty and potential budget challenges despite possible rate caps. Duration analysis is key in assessing loan sensitivity to interest rate changes. The fixed-rate bullet loan, with a Macaulay duration of 4.2 years, is highly sensitive, posing the greatest risk. The amortizing loan at 2.8 years offers moderate sensitivity. The floating-rate loan, with a 0.25-year duration, shows minimal sensitivity, though costs vary with market conditions. Interest rate scenarios are crucial for evaluating financing options. The base case assumes steady rates, while aggressive hikes predict rapid increases, impacting loan costs significantly. Moderate hikes suggest gradual rate rises, offering a balanced view. Each scenario affects the cost-effectiveness of fixed, amortizing, and floating-rate loans differently, influencing strategic financial decisions. Break-even analysis reveals a 175 basis points rate hike threshold, beyond which floating-rate options surpass fixed-rate costs over 5 years. In the base case scenario, this occurs after 2.5 years. Opting for a floating rate could yield 4.2 million rupees in savings if rates increase moderately, highlighting the importance of strategic rate path evaluation. Hybrid strategies offer diverse solutions for managing interest rate risk. Interest rate swaps convert floating rate exposure to fixed payments, ensuring flexibility. Interest rate caps limit maximum exposure while benefiting from low initial rates. A mixed loan portfolio diversifies $200 million across various loan types, and staged financing uses short-term bridge loans with refinancing options as rates evolve. Mastering technical skills involves calculating duration metrics for diverse loan structures and applying spot and forward rates for accurate loan cost projections. Quantifying interest rate risk across financing options and developing sensitivity analyses for various rate environments are crucial. Strategically, evaluate trade-offs between financial flexibility and cost certainty and assess the strategic value of different financing structures. Locking in a fixed rate in early 2022 could have mitigated exposure to the Federal Reserve's rate hikes. Amortization schedules reduce risk but limit flexibility, while bullet structures offer more flexibility but higher risk. Floating rate financing becomes cost-effective if rates remain stable or decrease. Dan should consider derivatives to hedge interest rate risk while preserving flexibility. Thank you for engaging with our case study on strategic financing decisions. For further exploration of real-world financial decision-making, reach out to us via mobile at +91-87553-00795, email at support@skilledmba.com, or visit our website at https://skilledmba.com.